Lowveld Media Trust, I'm very interested to see how it grows from year to year. I feel like I can get a sense that Lowveld Media Trust is a long-term program. It's not a quick fix. And I appreciate the work that you've put in so far. I'm inspired by the series that I've seen so far. I'm inspired by your camera work and watching your interactions with people and your interview style. I find it very personal and I find it very trust-making, because if you are not gaining trust with whoever you're talking to, you're never going to get the answers that you would be hoping to get. So I feel like Lowveld Media Trust has got a strong basis to grow on, and I can see that it will grow in very interesting ways, which I will very eagerly be following. And I just appreciate your other ideas in terms of how to empower and how to better the people that you're talking to, how to create the avenues that they can move along to make a stronger story in the end. Collaboration. So yeah, well done. Mokoro koto hoyo hoyo for your collaborations, Lowveld Media Trust.